Hey everybody, it's Vince with Clear Contractors. Today we're talking about bathroom colors. Two questions. What colors are going to make your bathroom the most timeless? And the second question, what color is going to increase your home's value? Let's go with the first one. If you want a timeless bathroom, the best things is neutrals. Neutral colors, pale colors, that's going to be in style forever. But what's the second question? What color is going to increase your home's value the most? Well, the answer is a light blue. Zillow says that just by painting your bathroom a light blue color, it can increase your home's value by 1.6%. That doesn't sound like a lot, but right now median home values are about $400,000. That means just changing the color in your bathroom can add $6,400 to the price of your home. So whether you're ready to keep your bathroom classic and timeless or you want to make it really trendy, give us a call. We're here to help. Schedule a consultation today. We'll see you at your house.